Now we will do differential GPS. Now in our normal GPS, we have the Earth, celestial sphere, GPS satellites, and these satellites were stationary or moving. They were geostationary. That is stationary with respect to the Earth. That means the geographical position, that is if you make a line from center of the Earth passing to the satellite where it cuts the Earth, the geographical position remains constant for each satellite. Now these satellites, this type of normal GPS had a certain error due to following reasons. The atomic clock on this GPS receiver was accurate only till 10 to power minus 7 seconds. So when calculating the distance of the satellite from the ship, time multiplied by speed, so this time was accurate up to 10 to power minus 7. So if I put 10 to power minus 7 multiply by speed of the radio wave 3 into 10 to power 8. If I solve this, minus 7 plus 8, it comes to 30 meters. So this 30 meters error was there due to the atomic clock not very accurate. Then refraction error was there, angle of cut, etc. So this GPS was not very accurate. It was okay for ocean navigation, but when the land is near, we needed more accuracy, which we can get from radar, and alternatively, we can also get from differential GPS. So, what is differential GPS? It is a normal GPS which has the capability of receiving radio waves transmitted by shore. So, differential GPS will receive signals from the satellites as well as from shore. So, now when the ship is near the shore coastline up to less than 200 nautical miles, let's say Indian coast, and this is the coastline where the ship will go. Ship is presently here, going like this, and we have transmitting stations every 100 200 miles in the full world. They transmit signals to all the ships which are within 200 nautical miles. So the range is only 200 nautical miles. They are radio waves. Now, what does this signal contain? Now, these transmitting stations, they have a normal GPS. It shows latitude, longitude, not a differential GPS, but they have a normal GPS. Let's say latitude, it was showing 10 degrees 01 minutes, point 0 north, and longitude 02 degrees 03.1 or 03.0 east, whatever. Now, their position is also calculated very accurately by some other method. It could be by cross visual bearings or radar, and that is also noted down here. So, this is what the GPS shows, and their actual position is also calculated by some other means, and that is also noted down. Let's say 01.1 and longitude 02 degrees 03.1. So as you can see, this GPS which is at the transmitting station has got an error of zero point 0.1 latitude and zero point 0.1 in longitude. This error is transmitted to all ships. So the ships which has got GPS, differential GPS, it receives this signal. Also, it receives signal from the satellite, and whatever it GPS was showing, it received this error, and that latitude longitude is, this error is applied to that latitude longitude, and then it shows you a more correct latitude and longitude, more correct position of the ship. So this is assumed because since the ship is very close to transmitting station, it is less than 200 miles. So whichever three satellites the GPS here in the transmitting station is using, those same three satellites your ship is also using. So the error in his GPS of the transmitting station will also be the error of your GPS, and that error is transmitted. Your differential GPS receives that error, applies it to the lat long, and gives you a more correct lat long. That is the principle of DGPS.